What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Presley. So as you can tell, the dolls are in some beachy outfits, and that is because on this special episode of Dollhouse Demolition we are going to be changing Kids Treehouse into a beach house. I'm very excited. This is the second time I'm filming this clip because the first time I forgot to format my memory card, so that clip went bye-bye. So originally we had different setup up here, and I was going to show you how I changed that, but you know, can't do that now. Basically, it's a nice summer setup. We got the pool, we got some chairs, games, all the stuff. So yeah, but now we will actually start working on the treehouse. So here I have Kit's treehouse. It is located in our guest bedroom actually, because I have no room in my room. There we go. And it is currently stuffed with everything I may want to use for this beach house. Now, as you can tell, these trees are looking a little bare. That's just how we got it. They were missing lots of leaves. But since I am making a beach house, I got this little palm plant, and I'm gonna cut the leaves off and stick them on here. But I'm still trying to I think I know how I'm gonna do it without ruining the treehouse. We're trying to do all this without ruining the treehouse, because obviously it's such a big ticket item that everybody wants, and you know, so I'm gonna unpack and kind of show you the inside. It is in really good condition. We're just missing a lot of the little member pictures. The back I only have the kit one, but I'm going to unpack this all and then I'll show you the inside. So here is what the treehouse I have looks like. It is very dusty, and I am going to clean it off in a second. But see, that is the only picture we have on the memorabilia wall. So it does, I mean, it's not even, I've actually restuck this on here, the tape. That's the only reason it's stuck on there. So I'm going to take it off. I'm going to keep it, obviously. Because if we ever do sell it, we want as much as what we have with it. So yeah, just only thing we have is a picture of Kit from the actual treehouse. But yeah, it's in really good condition other than that and missing the leaves. So yeah, the window still works. Gonna open and close. I mean, we are little railings quite scratched up and missing part of it, but I mean it's still in pretty good condition. It is a little loose, but you know, that's okay for such a big ticket item. I'm glad. I don't even know if I've ever like showed this on my channel actually. So yeah, we're just gonna clean it all out, like all the dust and whatnot, and then we'll see where we go from there. Okay guys, it is looking so good. So as you saw, I cleaned it out. Very dirty, very dusty. And I put paper, just scrap of paper, up on the walls. I just taped it again with, you know, regular tape you buy at the store, just so I don't ruin anything in the actual treehouse. So we have 2 white walls and then this blue wall. I didn't do anything on this wall right here just because, I mean, there's really no point. But now I do want to add like a higher up shelf, I think. So I have cardboard, and there is like these little post things that I think I'm just gonna put it on top of and do that. Yeah, I don't know. I'm still gonna figure it out, but we will see, and I'll see you after I do that. And I think I'm gonna record because it'll be interesting. Okay, guys. So I've been messing around setting this up, and I think this is what I like the best. So we have Kanani's chair in there, which unfortunately it takes up a lot of the room that I have in there, but I needed something to do with Kanani's chair because I love it so much and I don't want to get rid of it. So we have it in here, and you know, obviously I can take this out if I wanted to and put it somewhere else, but that's fine. I'll take it out. Wait, is there something in here? No, there's not. And then we have Kanani's paddleboard in the back, but I don't actually have the paddle to it. So I just kind of use it as a surfboard because I don't have a surfboard. And then we have just this drawer that's separate, but I wanted to use it and I wanted to use the dresser, and then I was able to move the chair enough to I could fit the dresser and it wouldn't look crazy. So I am going to paint the drawers in there. We're thinking of painting one blue, one pink, and one yellow, just to kind of change it up. That's what we're going to do, I think. And then bottom we just have these little baskets. And then I have this little barrel that I got at Hobby Lobby. And this is going to be where, you know, the dolls can put anything. I want to get a fishing pole. I may make a fishing pole to put in there because I think it'd be cute. And just like other, like I have a life jacket that we can, you know, throw in there. I have, where did it go? I have Murph's life jacket that we can put in there. So, I don't know. Just messing around with some stuff. And then we also have this little white shelf over here for more storage. And I am going to make a ladder because mine does not have a ladder. And then I'm trying to figure out what else to do down here. I want to make like a little shower thing, because originally I was like, oh, this is gonna be a rental, but now I'm like, I kind of want somebody to live in this. So I don't know, we'll see. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make like a little shower to go back here. Just some, I want like a mix of Leah's hut and Kid's Treehouse. Like I want those two things to be combined, because that would literally be the most perfect thing. Obviously over time we'll add more accessories to this and whatnot, but this is what we have going on. So, you know. Oh, I also want to make a TV to go on that wall. Just because. I think. Do I want a TV? I don't know. I don't know. But I think I'm going to paint, I'm also going to paint this. What should I paint this? I don't know. I'll look at like Treehouse. Or not Treehouse, beach. Oh my gosh, Birdhouse inspiration, I think. Figure out what to paint that. But after I paint, the next little step will be to conquer the leaves on the trees and stuff. But we'll see. Obviously this is not getting, we're already on day 2 of this project. Kind of. This is the first I've actually done stuff though. So really day 1. We've done a lot, so we'll see what happens. But that's what's going on right now, and I'll check back in later, see whatever I've done. Bye! Okay, so a lot has happened since we last talked. This is the current state. So, starting off here, I made this little ladder. I just painted popsicle sticks, different colors, and then I didn't record me making this ladder because I didn't really know how I was gonna do it until like I did it, obviously. But yeah, you get the gist. Just kind of tied it and then tied it to the treehouse, and we tied these lanterns from my nails glue set. I put some scrapbook paper onto this little thing, just taped it. Here we have this little birdhouse. I don't know if the birdhouse is gonna stay on this branch or not yet. But I just painted it. Lots of different bright colors. Then we have a little barrel. I just put a light whitewash on it, just because I didn't want it to be that color out here, because it kind of all look the same. So then, this is what we've got going on here. I took pictures and I painted it, and then just cut some pictures out of American Girl catalog, so lots of beach pictures, and then we have Nikki Hoffman right there, because I think I'm gonna have this beach house be my Nikki Hoffman. His name is Tyler. But yeah, so then I painted just the drawers of these because I thought that's what would look best. We got yellow, blue, pink, and then I made these little signs and stuck them on the wall. Oh, and I put that little painting on the wall that I've had. So yeah, that is what I've done so far. What I need to do next is attach the leaves, but I'm kind of dreading it. And I'm also trying to figure out how to make a little shower head to go over here, because let me move my plants. I cut this off of the flowers right there because it's really long. I'm like, oh, because I wanted to make like a little shower over here. So I'm trying to figure that out, but I don't know how to make a shower head. I haven't figured it out, but I will just see in a little bit. Hello, we're on day 3, I think, of this project. So I didn't really do much else. I just kind of was ripping apart these from the thing, like the little plant things that they were on, and I'm hoping to finish this off today because I really need to get this video edited. But first, I am working on a little shower back here. So this is the pot the palm leaves came in, and then I just took this little branch, and it's like what's gonna hold or whatever, and then this was on one of the palm leaves, and I just cut this little like shower head out of cardboard. I'm gonna glue it on and glue it onto the thing, and then I grabbed some green beads that I'm just gonna glue on to use this like fake little knobs. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and I'm also going to start putting the leaves on, and then we'll almost be done. So there we have my new beach house, treehouse. I need like a cute little name for it, 'cause I'm gonna put it on, cover up that treehouse sign. But I don't have a name for it yet, and obviously I will be changing this so much, because it looks a little cluttered, but like it's for the effect, you know? But I'll be switching stuff out, adding stuff, making new stuff for it. We will just see what happens, but thank you guys so much for following along while I created this masterpiece. I hope you enjoyed this special edition episode of Dollhouse Demolition, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!